guys, welcome back to my channel. Me and my best friend are having a painting competition. So my best friend Emma chose a picture for us to do, and it's two tigers and we're each painting a tiger, and at the end of the video we want you to vote which one you think is the best painted tiger. The picture she chose was so hard, especially because mine was upside down. You hear me literally complaining about it throughout the whole video, but it's really funny to watch because me and Emma have a lot of random conversations throughout the whole painting process. Also, I'd like to apologize because in the video we were painting at different times in the day and also multiple days, so it gets dark in the video and I apologize for that. Also, I wasn't using my lights because she gets migraines very easily, so we were using natural light, so it might get really dark, but it's multiple days, so it randomly gets bright, then medium, then dark, and it gets bright again and medium. Also, if you'd just like to see the fast version of our process we took, comment down below and I'll post that. And we are just painting the tigers. We're not doing the background or anything. If you'd like to actually see the final result with the background completely done, follow my Instagram, Rissa Grillo. I'll put the link down below because I will post it on my story. You can see the complete final result. Not only that, but when it's completely done, I'm going to sell it on Etsy, and I will put the link down below too of the jacket when it is completely done. So if you actually like it, when you see it on my Instagram, you can buy it on my Etsy shop.
Do you ever like draw something and then not know what that is? Yeah. Where were you going?
This is so hard. This is so hard.
I'm challenging.
She's literally like, it's just shapes.
It is. Just minimize it.
I literally can't. And no, this doesn't look good. It looks like it looks fat. I don't understand what I'm doing.
Mine is weird too. It's pretty tight.
You just did an outline.
I know.
It doesn't look like it.
Just copy the shape that I have, because it's all that is inverted. The face.
Oh my god. It looks so cute.
That's one word for it. Alright, it seems like I just chose the hardest thing.
You chose like so lumpy. Lumps just don't even make sense in like places. What are you doing?
Trying to get these wrinkles out. Just made more. Yeah, you're making him too thick, too muscly. Looks a bit like a frog now.
It's better than a turtle because it has shape. Gotta get them curves. I'm literally not gonna know which lines are which because there's so many.
Can I help you? You say you about everything.
Just white paint on me.
You don't like paint?
No.
Oh, what are we doing then?
I'm just kidding. I have paint all on my own. Your lines are so much different than mine.
Yeah, we have
What the heck? You just made him like 10 times smaller.
He is small. He's just muscly.
Is it really that off?
No. You were making him really fat.
Yeah, I want to take up room.
Oh. There's so many lines, I can't even tell what's what anymore.
I know.
Oh, see, look, that just took all the paint. And I hardly did anything.
I'm so sorry, I'm almost gonna
I'll buy you some way.
Don't buy me something.
Can you let me get you a present, please?
Oh, for my birthday, if you want to do that.
What else would it be for?
I don't know.
Not because we're friends or anything.
You literally hear my stomach.
Yeah, I heard.
That's insane. Why
I thought it was a cat. Are you hungry?
No.
Are you stressed?
No.
Are you anxious?
No.
Are you irritated?
No.
Is your stomach irritated?
I don't know. Ask it.
Are you irritated? Why am I here?
To see my friend.
Oh. I just like to hear it.
I don't know what this is.
It looks like a frog.
I thought it was gonna help me, but it looks so bad. You know, it's just me wishing I was thicker.
Your inner demons. This is me wishing I was muscly.
Muscly?
Yeah.
What? I'm trying.
Just so funny. No, it looks good.
Is that genuine?
Always. I believe it will get there eventually.
Is that the nice way of saying that it looks ugly?
No! It looks like a frog.
I thought we were past that phrase.
No! Never. So the foot is more angular. And it goes. I think it looks good now.
What'd you do? What'd you do differently? You just made him fatter again.
No, because see, this hump comes out more than you have.
Every time I try putting a bigger hump, it looks weird.
Well, it has to be proportionate, and this one goes down lower. So if you make this one higher, this has to go lower. How are you gonna get rid of this yellow paint?
I don't know. That's what I was saying this whole time.
Yeah, you never said that before.
Yeah.
Can you use the water? Those are yours? Yeah. I have things to talk about.
What do you mean? What's wrong with my boots? No, they were mine. What do you mean why? What's wrong with that?
I feel like they're from the 70s.
I like white and I like 70s.
I know. Great. There's cat hair everywhere.
Yeah, because you let Willow sit on
Oh,
it.
it's my fault?
Yes.
It's the pouncing having a good heart. You know what? I wish you would go on Project Runner.
Oh no.
Why?
I can't deal with the pressure.
That was why it'd be funny.
No. Alcoholic tea? Why are we all gonna be drunk all the time?
Oh, you know that's not the same color, right?
I know, but I'm trying to look at it.
You tell him. Do you think while you're doing this?
Like, think about what?
Just anything?
I think I could blank.
Oh. Will you paint me a picture?
Do you think I can paint? Emma, look at this.
Do you think I can paint?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Emma, this is the best.
Nah, between two options. Between Muscle Man and Frog. Yours looks less like a frog now. I love that curly tail.
He's got curly hair like our family.
Do you think that was a phone?
Yeah. Oh, is that part of the music video?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Giving you my paint.
Paint on your own picture.
I finished this layer. Wouldn't it be cool if we could communicate with like dead people? But not in a bad way.
Like through the telephone.
Yeah.
You can actually call heaven like heaven has a number. I hate shading like this. I like to do real shading.
My head hurts.
Because all you eat is bread. You should try eating, you know, food.
What is this then? Look at this.
Floppy bread.
Is that a smiley face?
No, I'm trying to make the ears.
Oh.
See, I'm getting better.
Is yours gonna wear mittens like mine?
No.
Oh.
Literally, I need 500 layers.
I know. Why is it like that?
Did you paint on me? When did you paint on me?
I know!
I have paint on my knee.
Exactly.
Ew. Alright, let's put you let the cat go on here.
So wait, Sam is a sloth. What are you? Sloths are the superior animals. Someday they will rule the world. If they ever get down from their trees.
Well, I know it's hard for me to do this. I was doing it upside down.
I was just thinking that. That's so
yeah, because I was like, wait a second. I don't understand why I was having such a hard time.
Yeah. Do you know Ouroboros? The snake that's eating itself? Like,
What?
it represents the circle of life.
How does that represent the circle of life?
Because life lives and dies, and then it keeps going. And the things that live eat the things, and then they die. And you know, etc. Can you imagine life without their care?
No.
I can't either. Would you still love me if I was bald? Of course. Would you have become friends with me in the first place, though?
Yes.
Really? That's... I don't know if I would have.
Doesn't look like he has fingers anymore.
Just make the two middle ones slightly taller.
Longer?
Yes. Did you even do anything?
I mean, it's so much longer. His fingertips are gonna look like fingers, like actual fingers.
They pretty much do. They just look like long knuckles. Ew, imagine if we didn't have the top part of our fingers. Just knuckles.
Yours looks like almost like fire.
Yeah.
It looks so cool.
Yeah.
I love how it looks like guy and girl.
She's got a hip dip though. Yeah, they look off, but I can't explain why. Do you ever stay up all night doing art? I always regret it in the morning, but I can't stop myself.
What do I need to do? What'd you do? You smudged it. Wait, do the eyes look okay?
Oh, yours are slanted. See how this is like straighter? See, this is going like this, and this is going like this.
I know that didn't help me at all.
And this
You
is
just said this and
this is going like this,
So how should it be?
like this.
No, do it down here. Yeah, okay, like it didn't move. That looks the same.
No, yours is like that.
So the eye is supposed to be like that. Minus the...
Did you even change it?
Yes, the point was originally right there. I changed it to right there.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that's much better.
Mine looks like it's wearing eyeliner.
It is. I wouldn't mind being homeless.
I have a huge issue with that.
Why?
Because I want kids.
Oh.
I prefer if my kids weren't homeless.
That's so sweet. I wish every parent was like that. I didn't eat beans.
I like beans. Beans are good for you.
You know what else they are? I'm waiting for the moment it happens.
No, I'm gonna leave the room.
So you admit it happened. This is the hardest part, and I'm scared.
What, the face?
Yeah.
Yeah, it really is. Just do everything white first. That's what I mainly do.
It looks great.
Mine looks like literally not. It looks like a lion.
It
A
does.
female lion.
It does.
Isn't that weird?
Well, you didn't add the white fluffies yet.
Yeah. I feel like you just got such an easier one than me.
I'm so sorry. It's just by luck. So we have Santa Claus, Fiery Santa, and female lion.
My face looks horrible. Why does it look like that? I don't understand.
I think it looks like that because it's not fluffy enough. I missed his leg.
Which bump?
See how this goes down like that?
Yeah.
Mine's straight. I hate to be a broken record, but can we listen to LP again?
Yes.
You play the music so low, and then when we watch a movie, it's like all the way up.
Who are you talking to? Talking to me?
I don't know. What's high mean?
What's this thing where... That's your mother.
Is she on the Empire State Building?
Your mother?
No way. I don't like this ad. Will you get rid of it?
Be gone.
Wow, it worked.
We did this Stripe such a hard way, but like, it's fine.
Upside down?
No, because I
With
the
paint?
marker really easy.
It would have. Just go get it.
What do you mean? I'm almost done. I can't.
He's a happy boy.
So this is the final result of our tigers. She was not able to finish the mouth, and also I have a whole bunch of lines around mine. Just ignore those and comment down below which one you think is the better tiger. Right tiger or left tiger? And hopefully we can get the complete jacket done so we can sell it to you guys on Etsy. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to vote down below which was your favorite tiger. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and comment down below if you'd like to see more of Emma. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see the jacket when it's completely done. I'll be posting it. I don't know when it will be, but hopefully soon. Bye!